children, let's start with chapter number 11, how to conserve our environment, how we can conserve our environment. So our environment consists of two components. देखो दो components होते हैं, living things and non-living things. Human beings, they are dependent on both, living also and non-living for the survival. But in order to maintain the balance, we must conserve our environment and contribute towards reducing the environment loss or degradation. So conservation क्या है? Prevention and replenishment of loss, waste, damage, destruction and degradation of environment, including plants and your animals and natural resources. So you can see that today we are facing various types of environmental problem. Why? This is because क्यों कर रहे हैं हम? Because we are consuming natural resources at much faster rate pace. Also, while doing this, they are polluting the environment and causing more destruction to nature. For example, the water level in the oceans are rising rapidly. Or जो many islands like Andaman and Nicobar, they have been submerged completely with a few years, and due to global warming, glaciers have been reporting melting rapidly in Antarctica, and the forest cover is fast depleting, which may make landslides very common in the time to come. Let us analyze some of the environmental problem and identify the measures to solve them. और आपको उनके measures को भी identify करना, right? Next is over pollution, overpopulation. Overpopulation क्या होता है? जब बहुत ज़्यादा population बढ़ जाती है. So this increase in population put more pressure on the water soil. देखो अब ज़्यादा population को ज़्यादा पानी चाहिए, ज़्यादा खाना चाहिए. So such natural resources leading to their degradation and depletion. There are only one solution. We should become conscious of this problem, check excessive consumption of natural resources and care for generation to come. Next is pollution. What is pollution? We have studied in the previous chapter. Now one more time I will tell you about the land pollution. Soil gets polluted several kinds of ways, which is divided into biodegradable and non-biodegradable. What is biodegradable waste? जो क्या हो सकता है? Waste को broken down by the bacteria and microorganism into substance not harmful to environment. ठीक है? They come from plant and animal, like we have example paper, food item, animal में. Non-biodegradable क्या होता है? ये harmful होता है. ये harmful होता है environment के and they cannot be broken down into harmful. Like plastic and your glass. They are non-biodegradable waste. They should not be disposed on even into a sea as they may kill sea bacteria. इनको आपको sea वगैरह में भी dispose नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये जो sea creatures होते हैं, bacteria होते हैं, उनको मार देते हैं. Then we have noise pollution. It causes hearing problem to many people due to ringing alarms, honking sirens, loud music and other noise producing activities can make a person deaf. Next, factories and vehicle produce smoke जो आपकी air को pollute करते हैं and causes illness, brain damage, lung problem and death. इससे harmful emission होता है किसका? जो acid rain cause कर. What it causes? Acid rain. And what happened due to its acidic nature? जो such rain is very harmful to the environment and we should develop some of eco-friendly sources of energy. जिससे आप इसको क्या कर सकते हो? Control कर सकते हो. Right? Next is protecting plants and animals. Now you want to protect your plants and animals. How you will protect them? It is essential to protect plants and animals. देखो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप plants and animals को protect करो. If trees are cut down without planting new ones, it will lead to deforestation, which in turn will lead to variety of problem like animal becoming homeless, frequent earthquakes, global warming, less rainfall, and we should protect our wildlife research and national parks. So, the number of wild animals is decreasing fast because of scarcity of food, hunting or habitat loss, poaching, deforestation and other such factors. So, this may lead to numerous problems. The government is taking several measures. Government बहुत सारे measures ले रही है for building wildlife sanctuary and national park to protect endangered species of plants and animals. और हम अपने natural habitat को भी protect कर सकते. So many species they are getting endangered. They are decreasing day by day. And the cheetah, it become extinct in India in 1950. Many other animals and birds are also on the verge of extinct. किसके वजह से? Poaching की वजह से. What are 3R? Reduce, reuse और recycle. Reduce means save energy. आप कैसे सेव कर सकते हो? अपने घर के इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेज और स्विचेस बंद कर सकते हो, जैसे टीवी, फैंस, लाइफ, when they are not. देखो बहुत घर में होता है कि बिना यूज के भी वो चलता रहता है, तो वो आपको नहीं करता है. सेव वाटर बाय रनिंग द टैप ऑफ while you are brushing. बहुत बार क्या होता है, हम ब्रश करते हैं, टैप चलता रहता है पानी का, वो नहीं करना. इंस्टेड ऑफ इंडिविजुअल मोटर व्हीकल आप बस लो, कारपूल लो टू रीच अ डिस्टेंस. Make your own compost bin, dispose of carefully. Then solve the problem of garbage accumulation. We should reduce consumerism. आपको consumerism को भी reduce करें. Then we have use. Donate old clothes and toys. भाई आप अपने जो पुराने clothes हैं, toys हैं, उनको poor people को दो. Try to find ways of reusing the things instead of throwing away. Wrap gifts with newspaper. This will save trees. Write on both sides of paper. टेक क्लोथ सैक्स और बैग्स इन द मार्केट इन प्लेस ऑफ पेपर और प्लास्टिक. वहाँ पे जो आप लेके आओ तो वो ना करें, ठीक है. सम ट्रीज विल बी सेव्ड. अगर आप ऐसे करोगे जो आपके ट्रीज है वो सेव हो. देन वी हैव रिसाइकिल. मेनी यूज थिंग्स. पेपर आप रिसाइकिल कर सकते हो. मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव सेपरेट आइटम. Now make sure that you separate things while disposing into those which can be recycled and those which cannot. जिनको हम recycle कर सकते हैं और जिनको हम नहीं कर सकते, वो भी आपको देखनी है. So now prefer to purchase recycled product. आपको वो ही product purchase करने चाहिए जो recycle हो सकते हैं. Some product are so written on them and the number of things like greeting card, papers, towel colors made of used flowers, they are made by recycling process. इनको हम रिसाइकल प्रोसेस से बनाते हैं, राइट. दिस वॉज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. नाउ लेट्स मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.